Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday, September 22nd, 2020, and we are continuing our lesson using bills and coins. Let's go ahead and take a look at our question. Before we read and answer our question, Addie wants to remind y'all of something. Do not forget to label your money. So remember, on money questions, you always need to label your money. Yesterday during our live lesson, we talked about the different ways to label money, and my class's favorite way to do it is by drawing lines. So let's go ahead and do that, and let's read the question. Dana used the money shown to buy a snack. What amount of money did Dana use to buy the snack? So we know right here that we have $1. So I'm going to label that $1. Right here I have a quarter, a nickel, and 2 pennies. So the way that we label this is using lines. And each line is worth 5 points. So if you remember from yesterday, this is 25 cents. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is worth 5 cents. 5. And a penny is just 1 and 1. A penny cannot be divisible by 5, so we don't draw any lines. Okay? So now that we have all of our lines, we can count by 5s. Remember, each line represents 5 cents. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So here I have 30 cents, 31, 32. So now I know right here is 32 cents. So that's not my answer though. I need to combine my $1 and my 32 cents, which gets me $1 decimal and 32 cents. Now I'm going to come over here and match my answer, which is B. So the most important thing to remember here, guys, is to label your money, okay? Label your bills, label your coins using the 5-cent lines. And then whenever you've labeled everything, you can count by 5s to get your total. Remember, pennies, you don't count by 5s because pennies are only worth 1 cent. So you just have to remember 1 and 1. Then once you have everything labeled, you can add it all together to get your total. Make sure after you watch this video, you go back into Canvas and complete today's activity with money. Bye, y'all.